Hello, 4 years of talk show. Bringing you the latest news, analysis, and updates. I'm Kevin Padilla, together with Raquel and Inigo, and here are today's top stories. But before we get started, let's talk a simple advisory. Fake news often aligns with people beliefs or fears. When confronted with misinformation that supports their verdict, individuals might rationalize why it must be true, even when evidence against argument. For example, a person who feels strongly about political issue may accept fake news that confirms their opinions, thinking it feels right, so it must be true. This emotional connection overrides critical thinking and fact-checking. Just like the advertisement that we shared with you, easily trusting the news on the internet without doing a fact check can lead to misunderstanding and miscommunication. Remember, rationalize less, verify more, your words matter, beware of fake news.
Hey sis, have you seen the post about Senator Bongbong being caught in a massive corruption scandal?
Huh? Where'd you see that?
Don't tell me you never open your social. It's all over the internet.
Hey, how do you know it's true?
Who cares? Everyone's talking about Senator Bongbong being a bad senator. I told you, you should never vote for him in the first place.
But that's the problem. Just cause it's trending doesn't mean it's accurate. Have you seen any news outlet report?
Alright, I think we need to ask Yash about it. Wait, let me call her.
Okay, let me leave you for a while.
Hey Yash, I would like to ask your opinion about Senator Bongbong being accused in a massive corruption scandal. It's all over the internet.
I don't know. He's such a great man. He helped the victims of the typhoon last week. What do you mean by that?
I don't know. I just saw it in the internet though. But I'm fully convinced he's the person who can do such a thing. You know, politics is dirty.
We don't know yet. We should wait for credible source to confirm it. Until then, sharing unverified news can ruin someone's reputation for no reason.
Right. Alright, Josh. Thank you for your time. Bye.
Yep, no problem. Bye!
Bye.
Welcome back again to 40S Talk Tactic Talk Show, bringing you the latest news, analysis, and updates. I'm Kevin Pahilan, together with
Raquel Abinido, and here are today's top stories.
Alright listeners, for today we've got an anonymous caller who needs advice about a misunderstanding with his girlfriend. You're on the air.
Thanks for taking my call. I'm in a bit of situation with my girlfriend, Mia. She found out something that's not really what it looks like. Well, Mia thinks I cheated on her, but it's not really cheating. It's like complicated, you know? Okay, so here's the deal. I went out last weekend with my buddy Eric. We ended up at this club. Eric's idea, not mine. And I ran into this girl I knew from college. Let's call her Jessica. We were just catching up. But then Eric dared me to dance with her. It wasn't even like romantic dancing, just fun, you know, right? So, where dancing and Jessica gets a little, I don't know, overly friendly? She leans in, probably had too much to drink, and kisses me. I didn't kiss her back, I pulled away immediately.
And this is why Mia thinks you cheated?
Yes, exactly. Relieved, she seems to understand. I didn't even know she took it. Mia saw it, and in the background, you can kind of see us dancing. But I swear, Julia, it wasn't what it looked like. It was just a dare. And it didn't mean anything. Not exactly.
Ever heard of rationalization, Lucas?
No? What's that?
It's when you make excuses to justify behavior that is wrong. Let me ask, if Mia were in the same situation, would you be okay with it?
Well, I mean, it's different. Oh, it's different. I mean, yeah, maybe. But it wasn't even my idea.
Lucas, relationships aren't about perfection. They're about connection. They thrive on open communication, unwavering trust, and consistent effort. Remember, love is the seed, but it's up to both of you to nurture it and let it grow.
That's right. You need to take full responsibility for your wrongdoings to us. Good luck on that.
And thank you again for listening, listeners. And we are 40 and Stop Tactic Talk Show.